Hi guys, wanted to show you a little project that I just finished up here in the backyard as I get ready for my spring season, as I go out and do my traveling and canoeing, kayaking, and camping. While I'm away, I like to have my garden growing for me, and this project has been one in the works for about 6 to 8 months. And so when I originally built my gardens, I wanted to go on the cheap. So I found a bunch of pallets, got them for next to nothing, deconstructed them and built myself some 3.5 by 4 foot square boxes, like raised bed gardens. And they were roughly 6 inches deep. They weren't real big. And the only way to get a long garden was to make 3 separate boxes and put them together. Well, that worked okay for a couple of years, and then last year I decided I wanted to get into irrigation. And I've got a rain barrel system that I'll show you in a minute, and I went with a drip irrigation system, a low flow drip irrigation system from the Blue Barrel company. And then when I went to run my lines, I had these ridges all over the place from the squares that I put together. So I decided I wanted to redo it this year. My brother-in-law's got a farm, and when I was out at the farm, I noticed in one of his barns, he had a big pile of timbers, really wide, old, rough-cut wood, boards that were like 2 inches thick or 1.5 inches thick and super long. So I measured it out, cut a bunch of boards, brought them back to Illinois with me, and built myself a garden. So I'm going to turn this around so you can see what I'm looking at. So this is my garden, and it really went together really very nicely. I mean, my cuts were not perfect because I didn't have the right kind of saw, but I was able to get it pretty good. So I got this nice thick wood and just used some 2x4s to secure it together. And look how rough cut some of this stuff is. I mean, this is super dense, thick wood. So that went together really well. I added another 4 or 5 inches in depth, so I had to do some extra fill. So you notice the discoloration on the wood. I went out and bought one of these things at Harbor Freight. It's a weed burner. You just hook it up to a propane cylinder and then you scorch the wood. Now, I don't know the real backstory on this, but I saw a video from someone else doing it, and they basically said that if you roast the wood, it pulls tannins out of the wood and it helps to preserve it. That way you don't have to use a lot of stains or anything else that will leach into your garden. So I wanted to keep it as organic as I possibly can, and so I scorched the wood. Like I said, it went together real well, and I'm hoping that it does me well in the long run. This is Layla. This is this beautiful little girl that I'm fostering. So here's my other garden. It's the original raised bed that I put up several years ago, and it's held up really well. I used good wood for it. I did stain it. But it's a 4 by 8 raised bed, and as you can see by the lines, I do square foot gardening. I generally grow brassicas and cucumbers and carrots and things like that in this bed, and they've grown very well. This is my next project. This old greenhouse I inherited from a friend. Roof collapsed this last year. So the goal is get this deconstructed, get all my stuff out of it, and I'm going to put that over the bed there and use it as kind of a hoop and then get row cover to cover up some of the things, and shade cloth for the hotter months. The next project, come on Layla, come on girl. Is sitting right there. My new greenhouse. I ordered one that's slightly bigger than the last one. This one is going to be 6 by 10 by 6'6". Wish me luck. So here's the rain barrel system that I set up. 2 barrels daisy chained together, and I actually added that this year so that I could use more hose fixtures on the front. I've got one of these on the other side of the house as well, with 2 barrels, and then I've got this low flow system. You hook it up with a hose to the garden. Last year I did drip irrigation. This year I plan on trying some low flow soaker hoses. So that's the next project with the bed after the greenhouse gets put up. If you enjoyed this video, maybe check out the last one I put up. It was about that cute little girl you saw a minute ago, my foster, Layla. And as I've said previously, that I will be doing more videos once I get the canoe out and the kayak out and get back to camping. Looking forward to that. If you like my videos, like and subscribe. Appreciate you.